These are cable stitches. This one goes to the left and this one goes to the right. And there are all kinds of cable patterns. These are cable needles. You notice that they're pointed at both ends and they have a curve. The curve is so that the stitches that you slide onto the needles stay there. And you put the stitches on one end of the needle and it hits the curve and you either hold them front or back. This one is to the front and then you knit two. And then you knit the two you slipped onto the cable. And it crosses over the front of the stitch and you knit it off the other end of the cable. You slip two onto the cable and you hold it to the back. You knit two. Then you knit two off the back or off the end of the needle. And you have two cable stitches, one going to the left and one going to the right.